Hello everyone. Till now what happened? Till now the girl Mahashweta, she has explained how she got birth, about her father, he was a Gandharva, and about her mother. And later she has told that she had come to that Achoda lake to take bath once with her mother. Then she had got a kind of smell which she hasn't smelled earlier. And towards the smell she had moved further. There she has seen a sage, and the next two paragraphs they have explained the sage only, how she has seen him and what kind of feelings she got after seeing that boy, young sage. Now she continues. Tada, that moment, in the same moment what happened, तस्य अपि अभिनव आगतं मदनं प्रत्युद्गच्छन् इव रोमोद्गमः प्रादुरभवत्. Earlier she has explained she got goosebumps just because she wanted to hug him, she said. Now she is explaining, and now she has seen this girl now. Tasya api, that boy is also abhinava agatam madanam, he also got same feeling, like she also got that goosebumps after seeing her. Pratyudgachan, madanam pratyudgachan, just to offer something to Madana, means Manmata. That kind of feeling he also got. How she got to know that he also got the same feeling? She explains further. You know what? Vepathu grihita Vritabhanga bhita iva akampata karatalagata akshamala. And earlier only she said this boy was having akshamala or spatikamala, whatever you take. Akshamala which means rudrakshamala. So karatalagata means he was having akshamala in his hand. That akshamala akampata, shaken. How? Vritabhanga bhita iva. So he was in a great, determined person he was, and he was in the deep finance. And Vepatu Grihita, once that boy has seen this girl, that moment, Vepatu Grihita, because of Vepatuhu, which means shaking, like a kind of different feeling. So because of that Akshamala, Rudrakshamala started shaking for a while. Tathatu tasya atiprakataya vikritya द्विगुणीकृत मदन आवेश तत्क्षणमहम अवर्णन योग्याम कामपि अवस्थाम अन्वभवम. And she also got to know that this boy, young sage, he too got the same feeling towards Mahashweta. After understanding this, she was entertained by all these incidents. She got still more feelings towards him. She wanted to hug him, all these kind of infatuation feelings she started getting, and she reached a kind of avastha, a stage. Later what happened? Prapta prasaracha upasratya asya sahacharam munibalakam pranamapurvakam aprucham. Yes, so I got that kind of feeling. Later I have come out of that, and just I moved further, and sahacharam munibalakam, I had moved towards the other boy, one who was with this sage, young sage, and pranama purvakam, I saluted him also, and I asked him, aprucham, what I asked? Bhagavan, kim abhidhanaha, what's his name? Bhagavan, it's a we cannot call the sages like by their names and all. Generally we call O Lord in that way. So Bhagavan, she is asking, Bhagavan, Kim Abhidhanaha, what is the name of this sage? Then Kasyava ayam tapodhanasya yuva, Kasya tapodhanasya yuva ayam. Definitely sage's son should be a sage, or a boy in his young age. He has become a sage, sannyasin, a monk, which means his father also would have done the same kind of punya, right? In that way she is asking, tapodhanasya. Tapaha eva dhanam. Dhanam means money. Tapaha, for some people, tapas itself will become money. So that person is called tapodhanam. So his tapodhanasya yuva, whose son this boy is. And moreover, one more question. Kin namataroriyam anena avatamsikrita kusuma manjari. Anena avatamsikrita. the the chandelier of flowers or bunch of flowers which is decorated by this boy, is related to which tree, which plant? Kinnamataroho. What is the tree's name of this flower? She is asking about the flowers also. In this, she has started speaking with the other boy. She has asked about his name and she has asked about the flower's name also. So important words are Abhinava Agatam, newly come, Madanam, god of love, Pratyudgachan, that's what Pratyudgachan, which means if you go to offer something, that's what Pratyudgachan. Romodgamaha, goosebumps, Pradurabhavat, started, Vepathu, shaking, Karatalagata Akshamala, garland slipped away from hand, Atiprakataya, published, Vikritya, deformation, Dviguni double, Avarnana Yogya, not able to explain. Avarnana Yogyam Anandam. After seeing him, that he too got the same feeling towards this girl, that moment the girl got a kind of, she has reached a stage which cannot be explained. Okay? Upasratya, going near. Sahacharam, fellow. Abhidhana, name. Avatamsi Krita, which means decorated. Kusuma Manjari. Kusuma Manjari happen, it should be Kusuma Manjari. Which means bunch of flowers or flower chandelier. In that way also we can take. So next, now Satu Mam Ishadvihasya Abravit. Sahatu means the other boy whom she has asked about the introduction. Then he started saying Ishadvihasya. He has laughed at her or smiled at her a bit, smiled at her. Haha, in that way. And Abravit, and after laughing at her, he has started explaining. Bale, O girl, Shruyatam, listen. Asti khalu Mahamunihi Divyaloka Nivasi Shvetaketuhu Nama. Yeah, you know him. Mahamunihi Shvetaketuhu Nama Asti khalu Divyaloka Nivasi. There is a Mahamuni, there is a great sage called Shvetaketu, right? And you know him. And where does he stay? He stays in Divyaloka Nivasi, means he stays somewhere in the heaven. Or which means he doesn't stay on earth, he stays somewhere in Devaloka or somewhere else. Divyaloka Nivasi Shvetaketu. Tasya cha Bhagavataha Ashesha Tribhuvana Sundaram Rupam Asit. Tasya Bhagavataha Tasya Shvetaketuhu Rupam Ashesha Tribhuvana Sundaram Asit. And that Shvetaketu was also very beautiful. His Rupam also Tribhuvana Sundaram. And no one else was there on earth or in Patala or in somewhere in Devaloka, wherever. Okay, that kind of Rupam, that kind of figure he got. Who? Bhagavan Shvetaketu also. Saha, that Shvetaketu, Kadachit Devatarchana Kamalani Uddhartum Mandakinim Avatatara. That person, Shvetaketu, he had gone to Mandakini, river Mandakini. Avatatara means, Avatara is incarnation. Avatatara means he had appeared near Mandakini river. Why? Kamalani Uddhartum. He wanted to take some flowers. Wanted to take some, Kamala, lotus flowers. So wanted to pick some lotus flowers. For what? For Devatarchanam. To do some Devata Archana, to do some puja for some god. He wanted some lotus flower. For that he had appeared near Mandakini river, Kadachit, sometime. Okay. Tam tada Devi Lakshmi Dadarsha. That time what happened? Devi Lakshmi. So as earlier also they explained, Lakshmi is Bhavana, Lakshmi is buildings or Kamala, lotus flowers, right? So Lakshmi, that moment goddess Lakshmi has seen this Shvetaketu. Okay, that moment when he had appeared near Mandakini to pick some flowers, lotus flowers, the moment Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi has seen him. Alokana matrena samasadita sukhayam kramena tasmin eva asaneekrite pundarike kumaraha samudapadi. What happened? She has seen, Lakshmi has seen this Shvetaketu. By seeing there, as earlier also they have explained, when they were explaining Shashi Bimbam, moon. So people's eyes will be happy after seeing Shashibimbam. That's what they said. The same way here also goddess Lakshmi has felt a kind of good feeling about this Shvetaketu. Alokana matrena, just by seeing, just because of seeing and experienced that happiness after seeing a beautiful man. In that point, what happened? One boy had appeared in a Pundarika, Kumaraha Samudapadi, where in a Pundarika is Kamala, lotus. In a Pundarika, in a Kamala, a boy had appeared. Where Tasminneva Asani Krite. See, goddess Lakshmi is sitting on a flower when Shvetaketu had come to that river. There, goddess Lakshmi has seen this Shvetaketu, and she felt quite happy after seeing this Shvetaketu because of his beautiful figure. That happiness, because of that happiness, had end up by giving a baby, which means just a baby also simultaneously appeared near to Lakshmi, where Lakshmi was sitting near to that flower only. On another flower, a boy had appeared. Okay, Samudapadi. Samudapadi means created. Tataha tam utsangena adaya bhagavan grihyatam tava ayam atmajaha ityuktva Shvetaketau dadau. So then what she has done? So Lakshmi, she has taken that boy. Utsangena adaya. She has taken that boy and she had moved to Shvetaketu and said, Bhagavan, O Lord, O sage, grihyatam tava ayam atmaja. He is your son, take him. This atmaja, this boy is your son, please take him. Ityuktva, by saying this, she has given that boy to Shvetaketu. Pundarika sambhavataya tasya tadeva pundarikaha iti nama chakre. And because of he has been created in a lotus, Pundarika Sambhava, he has been created in a lotus. For that reason, his name also has become Pundarikaha. His name also has become Pundarikaha. Chakre, it's a different usage. It is like, happened earlier. See, there are 2-3 different types of past tenses in Sanskrit. One is, yesterday something happened. To express that or to say that we use a kind of verb. And some years ago, that moment, there we use some other verb. And it happened in the past, but we don't know whether it happened or not. But stories, they say it happened. There we use these kind of chakre, these kind of verbs. That Pundarika, one who got birth because of all these incidents in that situation, that boy only, this Pundarika. So sometimes, once upon a time, Shvetaketu had come near which river? Mandakini river, to take some lotus flowers. When he had appeared near Mandakini river, goddess Lakshmi has seen him and she felt happy. That happiness or that sukha, that moment what she felt, because of that, there one boy had appeared in a lotus flower. Then goddess Lakshmi took that boy and handed over that boy to Shvetaketu. So this boy had appeared on a Kamala, on a Pundarika. The name, that lotus, another name for lotus is Pundarika. So this boy's name also has been Pundarika only. That's what they say. He is saying now. Iyancha, and now this is about Pundarika, that sage. Now he is explaining the flower. Iyancha surasuraihi madhyamanat kshirasagarat udgataha parijata nama padapasya manjari. What he is saying, when surasuraihi, when Sura and Asuras, gods and demons, they were doing, they were milking this Kshirasagara, ocean of milk, Madhyamanam, milking. Then, see, like when you milk this one curd, then what will come out? The butter will come out. The same way, so many things started coming out. One of them was hala hala, which which is drunken by Shiva. The same way, Amrutam also will come at the end. So one of them was Parijata. Okay, Parijata. It's a tree. Parijata is a tree. So that Parijata trees flowers. These flowers are Parijata trees flowers. Tadetat karsena aveditam. So, like this. See, now this Mahashweta is explaining all these to that boy, right? Chandrapida, one who has seen her near old Shivalaya, Shiva's temple. There he has asked that Mahashweta, why, who are you, why you have, why you are here, all these things he had asked. Now she had explained how she got birth, where she had gone, how she met Pundarika, and what kind of first impression she got on him, and about the flower, all these things she is explaining. And now she is saying, Tadetat kartsnena aveditam. All these things I have understood completely. Who said? This girl. Mahashweta said to Chandrapida. So major words are Ishat, a bit, little bit, Vihasya, laugh or smile, Uddhartum, Uddhartum is uplifting actually. How, why Krishna took incarnation in this earth, on this earth. Then Uddhartum, Janan Uddhartum, to protect the people, to uplift the people. But here in this contrast, Uddhartum means not uplifting, Uddhartum means to take, to pick flowers, that's all. Avatatara, incarnated. Here also, incarnated is not a thing. Incarnation is, a divine personality will take a human birth to uddhartu, to uplift the people. Then we call incarnation. Here, Avatatara is appeared, just he had come down to take flowers, that's all. Alokanam, observing. Then Samasaditam, experienced. Pundarika, lotus. Samudapadi, generated or created, whatever. Utsangaha, from the lap. Utsanga is lap. Adaya, taking. Atmajaha, sun. Pundarika Sambhava, created in the lotus. Mathyamanam, belching. Kartsnena, completely. So this has been explained completely now. That's what she said. Okay. Next. Ityuktavati tasmin satapodhana yuva kinchid upadarshita smitaha mam avadit. What he is saying? After explaining about that boy, now he is saying Tapodhana yuva kinchid upadarshita smitaha. In the beginning he had laughed at her. Now just smiling he is giving, and he is saying mam avadit, he told me. What he is telling? Ahi kutuhalini. Kutuhalam is curiosity. One who is having curiosity, he is kutuhala or kutuhalini. Okay. Kim anena prashnayasena. Why are you suffering by asking all these questions? Huh? So you are tired of asking questions. Why are you asking? Yadi ruchita surabhi parimala tada grahyatamiyam ityuktva samupasrutya atmiyat shravanad apaniya madiye shravanapute tam akarot. What he has done, that boy, one who was wearing this parijata flower. Why are you asking all these questions? Yadi ruchita surabhi parimala. If you liked the smell of this flower, ruchitam, liked surabhi parimala, okay, the parimala, the fragrance of the flower. If you like this, tada, then grihyatamiyam, take this to you. I don't want, take it for you. Ityuktva, by saying this, samupasratya, upasratya, going near or coming near, samupasratya, atmiyat shravanat, apaniya, and he had removed those flowers from his ears. Atmiyat, swatmiyat, from him or from his ears. He had taken the flowers out from his ears, and he kept, tam akarot, he kept. Where? In my ears. He kept on my ears. Shravanapute. Shravana means, Shravanaputa is ear. He asked him, why are you asking all these questions? If you like the fragrance of this flower, just take it. He said it, and just he had removed all the flowers from his ears, and he kept those flowers on her ears. Okay. Mamatu tat karatala sparsha lobhena tat kshanam aparamiva parijata kusumavatam sasthane pulakam asit. What happened now? See, when he was keeping all those flowers on her ears, just generally that touch will happen, no? Somewhere somewhere on the face or somewhere near chin or cheek, somewhere or near the ear, somewhere he touched. Okay, so he is saying that after having experienced that touch, that girl felt in that place where she has experienced that touch, she felt one more parijata flower had come over there also. Okay, that's what she is saying. Mamatu tat karatala sparsha lobhena, because of that moha or desire of karatala sparsha, that touch of his hands. Tat kshanam, for a moment, suddenly, aparamiva parijata kusuma avatamsasthane pulakam asit. Pulakam means kind of again goosebumps kind of thing only, some feeling. Okay, and another parijata is being kept over there. That's what she felt, it seems. She is explaining. Then continues, sacha mat kapola sparsha sukhena tharlikrita anguli jalakat karatalad akshamalam lajjaya sah galitamapi na najnasit. Okay, najnasit. Fine. What happened? And even he touched her, which means she also experienced that touch, and he also experienced her touch, right? It's two ways. Then what happened? Mat kapola sparsha sukhena, because of touching my chin or cheek, they thoroughly krita anguli jalakat, and he also felt a kind of different feeling, and he got vepatu kind of shaking, and karatalad akshamalam galita means slipped away. Akshamala slipped from his hand. He was counting that akshamala, right? That akshamala has slipped away from his hand. And lajja, because of shy, and that also he didn't understand. He didn't understand that he lost his akshamala, rudrakshamala, from his hands. Otherwise, he had slipped the rudrakshamala from his hands. He didn't understand this. He was having that, he was still experiencing that touch, and he was quite shy. Then atha aham, after that aham tam asampraptameva bhutalam akshamalam grihitva salilam tad bhuja pasha sandhanita kantagraha sukhamiva anubhavanti darshita apurva haralata leelam kanthabharanatam anayam. Now what she is saying? See, and that rudrakshamala had slipped away from hands, so it was going down, falling down, and before reaching the ground, atha aham, suddenly what I did? Tam asampraptameva bhutalam, tam akshamalam malam asampraptameva bhutalam, before reaching bhutala, before reaching to the ground, I caught that akshamala. Just I caught that akshamala. Tam akshamalam I caught before reaching the ground. Grihitva, caught. And then salilam tad bhuja pasha sandhanita kantagraha sukhamiva anubhavanti. And what I did, I caught that and I just wore it on my neck. I wore it on my neck. And what kind of happiness I was getting, Tad bhuja pasha sandhanita kantagraha sukham. She is in completely, illusion. What? If he has hugged her, then his hands should be there on her shoulder. So after having put that akshamala on her neck, she is feeling that his hands are there on her neck or somewhere on her shoulder. That kind of hugging happiness or experience she is feeling now. That kind of sukha. Apurva haralata leelam kanthabharana. I have made that rudrakshamala kanthabharana. That rudrakshamala gave a kind of experience for me that he is only hugging me or we both are hugging each other in that way. That kind of feeling I got. Okay, that's what she has explained. Upadarshita smitaha, smiling. Avadit, told. Shravana, put a ear. Pulakam, goosebumps only. Kapolam, cheeks. Lajja, shy. Rudraksha, garland. Galitam, falling down. Kanthabharanam, necklace. Right, this is the point. So now what happened once, we'll go. So in the first point, in the first time, what? Chandrapida had gone somewhere and he met this Mahashweta, okay, and he had asked from where she had come, what's the story, all these things. Point number 2, she replied him, there is nothing interested in her life to listen all these things, but also if he is interested, I'll tell. That's what happened. Then in the point number 3, she had told about her childhood, what's name of her father and mother, all these things. And fourth number, in Chaitra Masa or in Vasant Ritu, she had come to this Achoda river, lake to take bath. There she had got a fragrance of flower. It was very nice. And she had gone behind the flowers and she saw this young monk or sage, and she felt love with him. And that after that, some explanation, what kind of, just complete adjectives, all of them adjectives for that person, sage. Then sage also, young sage also felt the same feeling towards this Mahashweta. And after that, what happened? This Akshamala is, Akshamala fell from his hand. She took that and she wore it. All these things had happened. Next, what? We have to see what is next. Now, Uchchalitayam cha mayi dvitiyah munidarakah tam avadit. And what I did, I just moved. I took that Akshamala and I wore it. And I moved. That moment, Dvitiyaha, second Munidaraka, second Muni Kumara, or second son of Muni, to say his friend. Tam avadit, he told this Pundarika, Sakhe Pundarika, na etad anurupam bhavataha. He said, this is not fair. Na etad anurupam, this is not good. This is not fair for you. Why? Dhairyadhana hi sadhavaha. Sadhavaha, these sages are always, courageous. Dhairyameva dhanam, always they are courageous. Kvate tad dhairyam, where that courage had gone. Where that courage had gone. Kva asau indriya nigraha, where that indriya nigraha had gone. Indriya vijaya, kva asau indriya vijaya. Winning over the sense organs. Sense organs, yes, eyes, ears, all these things, winning over them. Where it has gone. Kvate guru upadesha, where that guru's upadesha. How many times our guru had preached us about Atman and all these things. Where it has gone. Katham karatalat galitam apahritam akshamalam api nalakshayasi. How come? Katham. How come you cannot understand that Akshamala has slipped away from your own hands, and that is stolen by that girl. Apahritam, stolen. That is also you are not able to understand, which means you are not in this world. You have lost your mind, I feel. That's what he is saying. Aho vigata chetanatvam. That's what. Aho vigata chetanatvam. Chetanam vigatam means, see, always sages, they will be focused on something or some particular thing. They will be meditating, all these things. So their mind is, now it has happened, flickering mind now. His focus has shifted from Atman to a girl. That's why he is saying, oh, vigata chetanatvam, my God, this shouldn't happen for you. Apahrita nama iyam idamapi tavad apahriyamanam anaya anaryaya nivaryatam hridayam. What he is saying, she has stolen. Okay, what she has stolen? She has stolen this Rudrakshamala. That is right, Rudrakshamala is stolen. Idamapi tavat apahriyamanam anaya anaryaya nivaryatam hridayam, and she is going to steal your heart also, which means she is going to she is going to put some affection towards her in your mind. In your mind, she is going to create some affections. So what you have to do? You have to stop her. You have to stop her and get the things back. Who said this thing? All these things are told by his friend, Pundarika's friend, and it's been told to Pundarika. Then what happened? Tadasaha kinchid upajata lajjaha eva pratyavadit. Then he said, he felt quite shy because just because of a girl he had lost his mind. No, That's why he is saying Sakhe Kapinjala. Now see, now they are saying his friend's name. His friend's name is Kapinjala. Sakhe Kapinjala, Kim Mam Anyatha Sambhavayasi. Why are you taking me something else? Mam Anyatha. Don't think about me something bad, or don't understand me wrong. Okay? Ityabhidhaya Alika Kopa Kantena Prayatna Virachita Bhishana Bhrukuti Bhushanena Spuritadharena Mukhenduna Mam Avadat. What he said? And Ityabhidhaya Sakhe Kapinjala, don't think something bad about me. After having told this to Kapinjala, Ityabhidhaya, he told this thing, and what he was? Alika Kopa. Kopa is angry. Alika means wrong or lie. Alika Kopa means what? He is not really angry, but he acts as he is angry. Alika Kopa. Kanta is face. His face was looking, he's angry, but it was not real angry. He was, just he was acting that he got angry. Prayatna Virachita, and by, by efforts, he has created that Bhishana Bhrukuti Bhushanena. He has taken both of his bru means, eyebrows only, bru actually. So he took his both eyebrows together and he made his eyes very big, and as if he is getting angry. By efforts he has done all these things. Spuritadharena, and his lips were shaking. Kampana was there. See, if people will get so much of anger, then their face will become red, and their talk won't be that much stable. It will be trembling. Spuritadharena Mukhenduna. Mukha is like Indu. Mukhendu is Mukha. His face is like moon in that way. Induna Mam Avadat. After acting like this, after making his face in this way, he has told me what he has told. Chapale Pradeshadasmat Imam Akshamalam Adatva Padat Padamapi Nagantavyam iti. Oh girl, from this place, without giving this Akshamala, without handing over this Akshamala to me, you cannot move a step away. You cannot step away from this place without giving that Akshamala to me. That's what he said. Taccha Shrutva Aham Atmakantad Unmuchya Ekavalim Bhagavan Grihyatam Akshamala iti Man Mukhasakta Drishtehe Shunya Hridayasya Asya Prasarite Panav Nidhaya Sveda Salila Snata Api Punah Snatum Avataram. What he has done after that? After listening to that, I just removed, after listening to it, Atma Kantat, from my Kantha, from my neck, Unmuchya Ekavalim means Rudrakshamala. I have taken that Rudrakshamala away from my hand, my neck, and I said, Bhagavan, O Lord, Grihyatam Akshamala, take your Akshamala. And Man Mukhasakta Drishtehe, and I have seen that Akshamala properly once. My God, it's going away from me in that feeling. Okay. And then Shunya Hridayasya Asya, and she is explaining, he is a kind of Shunya Hridaya. He is not having any compassion towards me. He is not having any love towards me. He is not having any affection towards me in that way. He is having stone in his heart, or stone-hearted. She is saying Shunya Hridayasya, stone-hearted person. And in his hands, Prasarite Panav. Panihi is palm, hands. Prasarite, he has made his hands forward to take that Akshamala. Then she is explaining, I just gave that Akshamala to the hands which are stretched towards me to collect the Akshamala. Whose hands? His Shunya Hridayasya, one who is stone-hearted. His hands, I kept the Akshamala in his hand. And after all this, I was Sveda Salila Snata Api Punaha Snatum. By this, I was very tensed and I was sweating. I was sweating like, I have taken bath. In that way, I was sweating. So, because of that, I have gone into the river, in the lake again to take bath. Then what happened? Uttaya cha kathamapi prayatnena niyamana sakhijanena balad ambaya saha tameva chintayanti swabhavanam ayasisham. What I have done after taking bath and all, uttaya cha kathamapi, somehow I came out from that lake. Somehow I came out of that lake after taking bath. And by efforts, Sakhi Janena, my Sakhi Jana, my servants, they have taken me, they have carried me away by efforts. And then Ambayasaha, with my mother also was there with me. So with her, I had gone back to my bhavanam, I had gone back to my building, my place or my palace. Chintayante, how I was going, I was just thinking about him. Just by thinking about him, I had moved back to my palace. Uchchalita, moved. Apahritam, stolen. Lakshayati, observing. Alika kopakantene, made up angry face, just made up. Okay, he is not really angry. Prayatna virachita bhishana bhrukuti bhushan. That's what. By efforts, he is acting that he is very angry. Just to show that he made his eyebrows together and he made his face quite, angry. He pulled all the muscles of his face in that way. Spurita dharena, shaken lips. Unmuchya, leaving. Prasaritam, extended or stretched. Ayasisham, entered. These are the main words from this part.